Today, more than 100 prospective jurors packed into a courtroom that the public and press were locked out of. About halfway through the day, the judge did agree to open the courtroom doors, allowing us to listen in from the hallway. Although, as you can imagine, we couldn't see anything that was happening inside, and it was hard to hear. Tonight, one legal expert warning that holding any public proceedings in private could put the entire trial in jeopardy. At the Harford County Circuit Courthouse Tuesday, roadblocks weren't the only barriers for a murder trial the defense argues is the highest profile case in the county's history. Arrested last summer following a 10-month nationwide manhunt, Victor Martinez-Hernandez faces life in prison if convicted of killing and raping Rachel Morin, whose body was brutalized and stashed in a tunnel drain along Bel Air's Ma and Pa Trail. Accused of entering the country illegally, the suspect's immigration status thrusting the local case into a national spotlight.
In Rachel's memory, we will stop this invasion.
And yet, the courtroom closed to the public and press for day one of jury selection. Sheriff's deputies telling Fox 45 Administrative Judge Yolanda Curtin cited fire code occupancy restrictions, although 125 prospective jurors plus attorneys and court staff already exceeds the room's 124-person limit.
There is absolutely no excuse why any district or circuit court should deny access due to capacity. These issues are known well in advance.
Private defense attorney Jeremy Eldridge, who has no relation to this case, arguing accommodations such as an overflow room should have been made ahead of time.
And in fact, when the courts act in such a way to restrict access, they actually put the result in jeopardy.
Eldridge pointing to another high-profile case in Baltimore City, where serial podcast star Adnan Syed's murder conviction was ultimately overturned after the Maryland Supreme Court ruled the defendant's family was denied proper access to a public proceeding.
But the bottom line is, under the First Amendment and the Maryland Declaration of Rights, the media has a right to be in the courtroom, as does the victim and the defendant's family and any member of the public.
Judge Curtin also sealing the voir dire sheet, shielding what questions are being asked to determine whether a juror can be fair and impartial. After multiple media outlets raised transparency concerns, about 2 hours in, Curtin agreeing to open the courtroom doors so media could attempt to listen in from a distance. Among the questions overheard, more than half of the potential jury pool standing when asked if they have strong feelings regarding the allegations, which involve rape, murder, sexual offense, and kidnapping. Meanwhile, a vast majority staying seated when asked about possible prejudices involving the suspect's race, ethnicity, immigration status, or cultural identity. Jury selection is expected to continue for the next 2 days, with the defense arguing a fair trial will be difficult to come by. Curtin rejecting their motions to move the venue and sequester the jury. And now, Eldridge says her decision to close off the courtroom could open the door for further criticism and possibly an appeal.
These are risks that are wildly unnecessary.
Now, the Maryland judiciary says that they are working with the courthouse to make accommodations for the media by tomorrow. As of news time tonight, though, they have not been confirmed. In Harford County, Rebecca Pryor, Fox 45 News.
Hi, I'm Maxine Stryker. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and check out Fox Baltimore on social media to find more stories like this.